tight ends. Let's continue on. Right. Before I do my cow's tail, let's make sure I feel locked on.
Okay. Motherfucking bitch. One rope. Easy. Almost too easy. To climb out's the hard part. Ooh, beautiful.
I fucking love you guys.
Thanks for pushing me past my comfort zone. I want to name my YouTube channel Uncomfortable or something like that.
That's a pretty cool cat.
Yeah, it is.
There's another one for me.
Oh, bro!